Hello, my name is Reina Ann Cecilia Limbago Bastida, and I am a licensed educator with a master's degree in education, major in teaching science. I've been teaching science for the past 8 years, and throughout this journey, I've developed a strong passion for creating meaningful and engaging learning experiences for my students. One of my proudest accomplishments is enhancing student performance through inquiry-based learning and real-world application, which help ignite curiosity and improve academic outcomes. I have also published my own research and earned academic units in educational leadership and management, preparing for me for future roles in school leadership and professional development. I'm excited for the opportunity to bring my knowledge, energy, and commitment to your team. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward in connecting with you soon. Thank you.